Welcome to English Grammar Launch Advanced. Before you dive into the course itself, I want to go through the basic structure of the course so that you can get the most out of it. Here's how the course is structured. Each section targets one or two English grammar structures. Steps 1 to 3 in each section is the learning stage, and steps 4 to 6 is the mastery stage. Let me show you each of these steps in a bit more detail. Here's the learning stage, steps 1 to 3. Step 1 is where I'll teach you the meaning of the grammar and give you some examples so that everything is very clear for you. Step 2 is where you'll learn the structure so that you can use the English correctly. And step 3 is where you'll learn other things that you need to note about the grammar. Now the mastery stage. This is steps 4 to 6. Step 4 is the speaking practice, and step 5 is the listening practice. This is where you'll start to master the grammar through speaking and listening exercises. And finally, step 6 is the MP3 and PDF download, so you can listen and learn on the go. So the course is very detailed. There are 6 steps in each section. I want to give you as much help and as much information about each grammar structure as possible. Now, one word about step 6, the MP3 and the PDF download. I want you to listen to the MP3 as often as you can. So put it on your smartphone or your MP3 player and listen wherever you can. This way you'll ingrain the grammar, the target English in your mind so that you can use it naturally and fluently in your spoken English. When you listen a lot, it's also great for your listening skills. So when you hear the target grammar, it'll be very easy to distinguish. So that's what I advise you to do. When you go through each step, step 6 is where you can download the MP3 and the PDF. Listen to the MP3 and read the PDF example sentences as often as you can. Now that's enough about the structure. Let's dive into the course itself. I'll see you in section 1.